Has your Samsung phone suddenly frozen or stopped responding? It happens to everyone sometimes. The good news is you can usually fix it in just a few seconds without losing your photos, apps, or important data. Here's how. To begin, locate the volume down button and the power button on your Samsung phone. Press and hold both buttons at the same time for about 10 to 15 seconds. Keep holding them even if nothing happens immediately. After a few moments, the display will turn black, indicating that the device is shutting down. As soon as you see the Samsung logo appear on the screen, release both buttons. Your phone will continue the normal startup process and reload the operating system. This refresh can resolve many minor performance issues, such as apps freezing, random lag, black screens, or a phone that refuses to respond. Once your device finishes restarting, unlock it and check whether the problem has been fixed. If the issue was caused by a temporary software error, your Samsung phone should now work normally again. However, if the same problem continues to happen frequently, you may need to update your software, clear problematic apps, or consider a factory reset as a last resort after backing up your important data. And there you have it. You have successfully performed a soft hard reset on your Samsung phone.